if you need punishment, directly come.
I think all of us came from various states as a delegation to understand and to know what went wrong and what led to the stampede during the TVK party's rally here. Rather than getting answers, there are more questions raised. And it seems that the local government doesn't want to answer all the questions. They don't want to throw light on what went wrong that day, why the local administration refused to meet the delegation. It is not about one political party. We came from different political parties and we wanted to understand what was the fault of the organizers, who gave the permission for the rally place, what was the police strength available, how many were sitting in the car and how many were in the duty. If there were about 30,000 people on ground in the crowd, how many policemen were managing them? We spoke to the various family members and they very categorically said that they could hardly see enough people to manage the crowd. Couple of them, they said that few people came with the yellow rope and they started pushing people, but they were in the civil clothes. They don't know whether they were policemen or they were civilians. Now what happened, there is another allegation that people who have posted something on the social media, now those influencers are also booked by the state government. So on one hand there is a blame game going on, other hand the state government is trying to book and snub the people who are trying to raise the voice or questions against the state government. So do you think it's going to be free and fair if the single man commission will do the probe? It won't be fair at all. There are already question marks raised on his appointment. We have sent a questionnaire to the state government, to the chief secretary, a copy to the district collector to send all the details. I hope and we request that it should be submitted back to us by this weekend, because we want to submit the report to our national president as soon as possible. We have set a target of 7 days, that within 7 days we will be able to provide the full and final report to our national president. Before that, we need all those answers from the state government.
Any NDA inquiry will give any CBI inquiry need?
No, we have said it very openly that we are not here for the blame game. We are not blaming one or the other. I think the responsibility of managing the crowd, giving the permission, safety and security of the people, intelligence lies, all these responsibilities lies with the state government and the district officials. Now the issue arises if the people have lost their 1.5-year-old child, 17 women have passed, young children have died, small children, young boys. We went to a house, there was a 29-year-old boy, he passed away. 1.5-year-old child passed away. A woman who passed away, the entire family was dependent on her. Her divorcee daughter, her grandchildren were, all dependent on her. Now she passed away. We request the state government to provide jobs to them. There should be a opportunity for them to earn their bread and butter for their family members who have lost their family members.
Any CBI inquiry recommendation, NDA inquiry?
We request, we feel impartial, free and fair probe should happen. If a sitting Supreme Court judge can do it, then nobody will raise any allegation or raise any question mark. So I think that will be the right way to move forward. And if they write to the central government, I'm sure the CBI is also an independent agency. They can also do a free and fair probe.